Hi everybody, it's Crystal. I hope everybody's doing well today. Excuse me, and staying safe. So today is 2020. Today is 2/20/2023. My, does the time ever fly? It'd be Christmas before you know it. But I wanted to do a little video. I haven't done a face-to-face in a while. Been waiting on some yarn to come in. Anyways, I normally don't do Happy Mail videos because I don't get a lot of Happy Mail, because I ask people not to send me Happy Mail because I would prefer to not that I don't appreciate it. I mean, I do appreciate the thought that people like to, want to send me something as far as Happy Mail goes. But I always ask that if you were ever inclined to send me, a Happy Mail, for whatever reason that you have, I always ask that you would donate that shipping money to your local animal shelter, because trust me, they need it way more than I do. So I generally don't give out my address or anything like that. It's and I don't have a P.O. box anymore, so I don't get Happy Mail. But I did get something in the mail. I was asked several times by, you know who you are. I won't mention your name, but asked several times. And although I said, it wasn't necessary to do that, you don't, Happy Mail is not anything that I need. She was very adamant and persuaded me with a Hero Hero hook. If you know anything about me, I do collect crochet hooks, and Hero is the only hook that I use. Unless I don't have the size, I will use a boy. Hero, if you don't know, is a vintage brand. It's not made anymore, and they're getting extremely hard to find. But generally, every once in a while, I can add them to my collection. I'll find them on eBay, Etsy, auctions. I like to go to auctions every once in a while. I haven't been in a while, I guess, but or garage sales. But she actually sent me some hooks, and not only Hero, she sent me some other hooks that I thought were really cool, so I just wanted to share them. So a big shout out and thank you. Her, I even offered to pay her. She wouldn't have it. And she sent me some other things too, so thank you for everything that you sent. I just wanted to show you the hooks because I'm so excited. There's nothing really, as far as hooks goes, everybody's always like, will you do a hook review? I can't do a hook review because I will just say that Hero is the best hook ever made, and that's the only hook that I use. So it would be pointless for me. I'm very, very biased when it comes to Hero hooks. I won't use another hook, like I said, unless I don't have the size. I'll use the boy. But I have pretty much all the sizes, except for like a 9mm big one. No, I don't have that. I got to use a boy. But anyway, so I got these. There's a few different types of Hero hooks. I have many in my collection. A lot of people have sent me hooks over the years, and like I said, I've acquired quite a few from the places that I said. But I just wanted to share some Happy Mail. It's always good to share, a happy video every once in a while, I think. So look at this beautiful. This is a K Hero hook. And now there's different types of Hero hooks. This one's made in the U.S. They have them made in the U.S. and they have them made in Germany. Some Hero hooks have a matte finish on them. They're not shiny at all. And those are the older ones. And that appears to be, most of these are matte finish Hero hooks. Those are my favorite ones. That's with the matte finish. That appears to be what most of these are. There are a few that have a shiny finish on them, like this one here is a J. I like the shiny finish too, don't get me wrong. I use that too. I use them as well. But the matte finish is my favorite. So this is more shiny as opposed to this one. You can see has a dollar finish. I don't know if you can see it on my bad lights, but that is a difference. And like I said, also they have them made in Germany and in the US. I have a lot of them made in Germany, but I do not use them because the size is a bit different than the US ones. So like they're bigger, like a 6.5 for a German Hero hook is bigger than a 6.5 for a US hook. Now I'll use it if I'm crocheting something by myself, you know, and not doing a tutorial. But if I'm doing a tutorial, I'll try to use the one, you know, the US ones. So I'm really excited. I haven't even really looked at them. So I got a couple eyes here. These are both matte finish. Excellent. I like the eyes. So these are matte finish heroes made in the US. Excellent. Here's an old one right here. Here's an F. You can tell it's a little bit older too by the way the hero is written on it. Hero, I can't even see it, but this is an F. Made in the US, matte finish. Hero quit making hooks, I think in 83 maybe, or 84. They did stop making hooks. But I got some K's here. How exciting, huh? Go through them here. So I have 1, 2, 3 hero K's. One has a matte finish, and the other two are the shiny finish. That middle gold one is the matte finish, so it's a little bit older. You can tell it appears the shaft is also bigger on it. These are the K's, 6.5. But don't get me wrong. You know who sent these. I use the shiny ones as well as the matte finish ones. And then the J is my favorite size of hook. Oh, here's another F, another old one. Matte finish. I got, she enticed me with these J's. She got me with the J's. So I got 2 J's. Both of these are shiny, which is fine. I have like 3 or 4 of these exact same J hooks here. I don't know if I have any pink ones or not. I'd have to look. Nice. These are all heroes. Very nice. J's are my favorite. She also sent some, let's see what else we got in here. Now, heroes are tapered hooks at the end. I do have a video on the difference between tapered and inline hooks. It has to do with the edge here. Some people, it's really just your preference. Taper's more rounded and inline is more of a sharp, with a deeper crevice there. I'll link the video below and you can watch that, which it tells the difference between tapered and inline. This is a G, this is an old one. I can tell by the matte finish and the writing on it. Nice. I got some small ones here. I got some. There's a boy steel. Ooh, a hero steel. You know, I do have some. I do have all the hero steels. That's nice. Okay. Now, I think these are interesting, as she said. She said some plastic hooks as well, which I will add to my collection. I have a very nice size collection of crochet hooks. Oh my gosh, these are hero. I do not have one single plastic hero hook. You made my day. I didn't know that Hero made plastic hooks. Oh my gosh, how exciting is that? It's like I said, I got these several days ago, but I hadn't had time to sit down and look at them. I thought I would just show you guys. I had no idea. Out of all the hero hooks that I have found and hunted for, I had never in my life seen a plastic hero hook. That is amazing. This just made my day. You can't see it, but it does say on it, Hero J. That is so cool. I'm going to use this. You know what? I'm going to try to use it. I'm very, very much a stickler on using straight aluminum hooks, but I'm going to try to use this because it's a Hero standard size J. That is so interesting. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Oh, I don't have a tutorial for this hat. I made this on my knitting machine. Added some ice yarn that I got. I like it, but yeah, I just used my knitting machine. A Hero plastic. Are these all Hero hooks? The writing is about one of on this one. It is. It's 15 cents back in the day. Wow. That's so cool. Here's a Hero, another J. That is amazing. How exciting is that? Now this has no name on it. I think it's worn off, but I'm going to say by the looks of it and by the head on it that it is a Hero as well. Oh, that made my day. Now look at these beautiful things. That is something that it's very hard to find a hook, a Hero hook that I don't have. And you found 4. that I don't have. That is amazing. Thank you very much for sending those to me. I really appreciate it. And look at these beauties. So these are some wooden hooks. Look at those. Look like rosewood or something. Aren't those pretty? Now these are, I won't be able to use these because they are inline, which is fine. And I only use, like I said, it's straight aluminum hero hooks. But I collect hero hooks, like I said, so these will look nice in my collection. I don't have anything like these. I do have some rosewood, but I don't have any with this beautiful, with this shape of end on them. Isn't that pretty? That's an F. Now you see the inline so much, it's much more sharper, and it's called the inline because the head is in line with the shaft of the hook. There's a beautiful one right here. See if we got a marking on it somewhere. I think it's an eye. No, it's not an eye. I can't tell what it is. The marking's a little scratched. That's okay. Oh, it's I can't tell what that is. Anyways, that's another beautiful one. It's a bit different than this one, as you can see. It's got a different head on it. Very different end on it. Very pretty. Those are beautiful. And here's another one, like the one I just showed. There's a J. J, my favorite hook size. What's your guys' favorite hook size? Let me know below in the comments. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. And again, you find a hook that I don't have in my huge collection. I do not have an 11mm hook, believe it or not. I do not own an 11mm. Now I do. Now, like I said, even though it is inline, I will not be able to use it, which does not matter to me because knowing that I have an 11mm now in my collection is awesome. I don't know why I don't have the 11mm. It's just one I never had in my collection. Probably because Hero don't make them that big, so I don't have them. I got some big 30mm though. But no, I don't have an 11. This one has no marking, but it's still beautiful as well. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Some beautiful, beautiful, I can't believe I got plastic hero hooks. One day I'll break out my collection. You know what? My collection's too big. I can't even show you guys. But that is a nice add of all heroes to my collection. And you know who you are. Thank you so much, very much. You sent two things that, like I said, it is very hard to find a hero hook that Bagoday does not have. And you found 4 plastic hooks that I did not have in my collection. And I didn't have an 11mm. I really appreciate you sending these to me. And everything else that you sent. It was so kind of you to do that. Remember though, everybody, you never had to send me nothing. I just wanted to show, do, you know, a kindness video and show this beautiful, beautiful heroes because I love them so much. They're my favorite hook in the whole wide world. And it's what you see me use in my videos. And that's it. Let me know, like I said, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite hook size? If you watch my crochet tutorials, you're going to know that my favorite hook size is J. It's pretty much what I almost always use. I'll use in between. I can't really use, rarely, anything below a 5mm. Sometimes I can, but most of the time I stick with 5mm, 5.5, and a 6 being my favorite. I do use a 6.5 as well, quite a bit. But yes, 6 is my favorite. What's yours? How exciting this was to see all these, like, in those plastic ones are so cool. I never really know what to say when someone sends me something because I don't feel like thank you is enough, because I don't really feel like I deserve any this, but I do realize that you just wanted to send them to me to be kind. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. And you guys, thanks everybody for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.